So guys, right here on my screen you can see a recent withdrawal of $100 of Amazon gift card. So if you're new to my channel, do well to leave a like and a subscription. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through on how to get a free Amazon gift card. And do well to leave a like and a subscription and watch this video to the end. Ensure you watch this video to the end. So guys, the first thing we want to do on this website is to sign up. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box below. So we're gonna sign up now. I'm going to open the link, but before opening this link, make sure you have a VPN. So right now, make sure you have enabled your VPN before opening this website. Now you're going to input your email address. Then click on continue to many pets. Then over here, click on start my quotes. You're going to click on start my quotes. Now it's going to open for you a new tab now. So you're going to enter your pet's name. Enter any name of your choice. Enter a pet's name, then select either a dog or a cat. Then select any gender, select any breed, then select any breed of your choice. Any breed. You can use my examples. So just follow this video to the end. Then you can enter any amount, any months and years here. Click on no. Then click on tomorrow. Enter any location in the United Kingdom, in the UK. Enter any location you know in the UK and select it there. Then enter your birth date. You can input a random birth date. Then enter the same email address you used before. Enter the same email address you used at the beginning of this. Click on next. Then click on show me prices. Now you're going to select this. Then scroll down. Select the third one, then scroll down. You're gonna scroll down. Then click on continue and review checkout. So you scroll down now. Enter your first name. You can enter any random name. Enter your first name, then your last name, then any phone number. Make sure it starts with 740. Make sure the number starts with 740. Then your email address. Then select card payments. Then I'm going to be dropping a photo right here. All you're gonna do is select any card from the photo, then input it over there. Don't use your real debit card. Select any card from the photo, then input it right here. As you can see over here right on the photo, select any card, then input it. Now I'm gonna type this, then the expiry date, then the CVC code, then I'm done. Then I'll scroll down and I'll accept the policy declaration, and I'll accept this, then pay securely now. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down, pay securely now. So it's almost done. Now when it shows this place, wait, then click on refer a friend. In case you do not see the pop-up, you can head over to your email. Then you will see a message. Over there. Then scroll down of the message. You see something like go to your sharing dashboard. Click on go to your sharing dashboard. Now guys, when the website opens up, as you can see over here, just scroll down. You can share it up. But if you want to share your link, here you track people that have used your link. So you can copy the link over. Click on share a link, then you can copy your link. You can share by email, you can share by WhatsApp. You can tell them in person if you wish to. You can share with your friends with any app on their phone. Just type any message here, then click on share now. They will automatically paste your link into the message. So here you can track anybody that uses it. So how it works is, when you introduce many pets to your friend, introduce this company to your friend, you and your friend will get a 30 euros Amazon gift card.
and another for each of your friends when they buy their first policy with mini pets. When you are referring your friend to this website, ensure you as well refer this video to him so as not to make any single mistake, so that you can get your free gift card from this website. Thanks for watching. Found interest in this video, do well to leave a like and a subscription in this video.